Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video we are going to discuss one of the basic operator in Python, that is arithmetic operator. Okay, before coming to it, friends, if you are watching our channel first time or if you like to get these type of technical videos in future, consider subscribing. Also don't forget to enable that bell icon near the subscribe button so that you will get notification message whenever we upload a new video. Okay, now coming back to our topic. First of all, we will see what is operator. Operators which can perform specific mathematical or logical computations on operands. Simply we can say operator operates on operands. In this video we are going to discuss arithmetic operators. We know that they are the symbols which can do some mathematic operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So we can do these arithmetic operations in Python also. We will see that one by one. First of all, we will see addition. Okay, addition means add values on both sides of the plus operator. We will see some examples in Python. We will give 10 plus 20. So here 10 and 20 are the operands, and this addition plus is the operator, and here we can see the result, it's 30. Even we can add with the multiple operands. Okay, suppose 10 plus 30 plus 50, whatever, and here we can see the result, it's 90. In the same way we can see subtraction. Subtraction means subtract values on both sides of the minus operator. Here we can see some examples. Suppose 20 minus 10, so it's 10. Or we can give a 10 minus 20, it will return a negative result, minus 10. Okay. Even we can give multiple operands. 10 minus 5 minus 3 minus 1, it's 1. Now we will go to multiplication. Multiplication means multiply values on both sides of the star operator. We will see some examples. We will multiply 10 into 20, and here is the result. Or even with multiple operands, 10 into 20 into 10, it's 2000. Next is division. So division means divide values on both sides of the division operator. We will see some examples for that. It's quite easy. 10 divided by 20. So here we can see the answer, it's 0.5. Or even we can give 20 divided by 5, whatever. Okay. Even we can try with a negative number. Negative 20 divided by 10. So it's minus 2. We will try 0 divided by any value, so it's 0. We will try 10 divided by 0. What is the result? Here we can see an error, 0 division error. Division by 0 is not possible. Okay. Now we will see one of the wonderful operator, that is modulus. Here modulus means divides the operands and then it will return its remainder. We will see some examples so that it will be more clear. We will try with 10 modulus 2. So here the result, we know 10 divided by 2 is 5 and there won't be any remainder, so it will return 0. Now we will try 10 modulus 3. So we know 3 into 3 is 9, remainder is 1, it will return 1. Okay. We will see some more examples. We will give a 10 modulus 4. So here the remainder is 2. Okay, now we will try 1 modulus 7. So here we can see this numerator is less than a denominator. Yes, in this case it will return numerator. It will return 1 here. We will see that. Okay, we will try 2 modulus 7. It will return 2. 3 modulus 7, it will return 3. 4 modulus 7, it will return 4. Now we will go to the next arithmetic operator, that is exponent. So exponent means gives to the power of a result. Okay, we will see some examples so that it will be more clear. 2 to the power of 2, we can give 2 to the power of, we have to give a 2 star, then 2, it's 4. We will try 2 to the power of 2 star 3, that means 2 into 2 into 2, so it's 8. We will try 3 to the power of 2, it's a 3 into 3, it's 9. We will have one more example, 2 to the power of 2, so we know it's a 4, then to the power of 2, so 4 to the power of 2, that means 16. So here we can see the result. Finally, we are going to see floor division. So in this division, if the result contains decimal point, then it will be removed. I mean that decimal point will be removed. Okay, we will see some examples so that it will be more clear. We know 5 divided by 2. Here we can see the answer is 2.5. So when we use this floor division, we can use like this 5. 2 times we have to give this a division symbol, then 2. So we will get 2. That 0.5 will be removed. Okay, now we will see another example. We know 10 divided by 3, it's 3.3333. Okay, whatever. Now we are going to try 10 using floor division 3, and here we can see it's 3. Here these decimal values are removed and only this 3 returned. Now one thing we have to keep in mind, if any one of the operand is negative, then the result is floored. Okay, we will see some examples so that it will be more clear. Here we will give -5, then floor division 2. So here we can see the result, it gives -3. Here what happened? So when we do -5 division 2, we will get the answer as -2.5. And as here we are using a negative number with this floor division, the result is floored. So it gives -3. We will try one more example using negative. We will give -10 floor division 3. Here you think we will get a 3.333 something, so the result will be floored and we will get -4. Okay, right. So friends, in this video we have seen all the arithmetic operators. Now friends, if you have any doubt, any suggestions, please comment below. And if you like our video, give a thumb and share with all your friends. And just stay tuned for the future technical videos. Thank you.